What if I told you the trash in your kitchen could turn into rich, powerful compost in only 7 days?
Most people throw these scraps away, but smart gardeners use them to grow healthier plants. Grab fruit peels, veggie scraps, tea leaves, and coffee grounds. This everyday waste is pure compost fuel. Everything small. Tiny pieces break down much faster. Add dry materials like leaves, cardboard, or paper to balance the mix. Layers inside your bucket. Wet greens first, dry browns on top.
Spray water over everything. You want it moist, not soaked.
Perfect test, squeeze a handful. It should feel like a damp sponge. Mix it really well. Oxygen is the secret to faster compost. Cover the bucket loosely and place it somewhere warm. By day 2, you may feel heat or even see steam. That means it's working. Turn the pile every day to keep fresh air flowing. By day 4, scraps should already look smaller, darker, and broken down. If it smells bad, just add more dry leaves or paper and mix again. Day 7, look at that beautiful dark compost, rich, crumbly, and ready to use. To your garden beds or mix it into pots for natural nutrients. This simple compost can turn weak plants into strong, thriving growers. Next time you throw food scraps away, remember, you might be tossing plant gold.